So what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Marathon Digital Holdings, or Mara Holdings, burning millions. Yes, this crypto mining company, as Bitcoin goes down, the stock goes down. Crypto mining dead? I don't know. But looking at this company may be dead. Let's talk about it. Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm here to give you an update on Mara. All right, you can see right there in front of you, there is a prediction that we produced for Mara not that long ago, but I mean, we was already looking for the market to go down, and it concluded that it did that. March the 3rd was when this price prediction was produced, and here it is, April the 9th. Market hit an ultimate TP price on April the 4th, 26.01%. Boom. All right, so got rid of that. Now, we will also get rid of these buy pockets here for Mara. Before I get started, hit the like, share, and subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well, because when these videos are produced, you definitely want to be one of the first ones to see it, because the market is continually moving, and I don't want you all to miss out. Now, what now? Well, we're at a buy pocket now in Mara. So naturally, we need to be thinking, hey, we can see the market in Mara begin to go higher. That's my current thinking. And given that we expect that, okay, we will create a couple more pockets of selling. So as we do expect these buyers to begin to take control of the price, we'll have a couple of areas that will say, all right, look, we're going to look for these sellers to pop right there. We'll look for sellers to hit here. So like when the market is controlled by the buyers, we'll say, boom, they'll hit this sell pocket, price comes back down, right? That's what we're doing. We're just laying the groundwork. We're laying down areas where we think there's majority of buyers or majority of sellers. All right, so we did that. Let's look at Mara on the 2 then. Just trying to get a feel of the market, trying to see, hey, is these buyers really going to hold this buy pocket? If they are, we could play a market move up for a short-term move, or we'll continue to stay bearish and look for the market in Mara to come down to this next pocket. All right, so here it is on the 2. This 2-day price bar right here is telling you, yeah, these sellers are still active. They're still present. Here it is on the 3. Still showing pretty much the same thing. Mara on the 4. Here it is on the 5. Mara for the weekly. Mara for the 2 weeks. 3, 5, and a month. Okay. So right now, I'm not feeling bullish. If we were to see a transition over from Mara becoming more bullish, it will have to be on a smaller time frame, which we're looking at on the 330. Let's look at it on the 30-minute. And you can see every pop up in Mara, we're not getting the strength beat. The strength is not being maintained, right? We got this pop right here, right? Boom. We're supposed to see, if anything, the market consolidate for a little bit and then get another pop like this. Consolidate, pop. Consolidate, pop. But we're not seeing that. So the buyers right now, as I'm recording this video, is not here. They're not here. Even right there on the 30-minute, you can see that there's a sell pocket right there. Okay. You can even see it right there on the 9-minute chart. This one pop when the market first, oh well, that's at 3 a.m. Market gave us a big pop, but we're losing steam. Price is still trending down, letting us know that the buyers aren't attracted to this price area yet. So it might take the market another opportunity to come and grab this buy pocket, pick up more buyers, and then we'll see another bigger move up. So what do we do? Generally, I'm still looking for the market in Mara to go down, but I want a couple more days to see if we can get a pop in Mara, but outside of that, yeah, this stock is not strong. It's still weak. So let me see something. If I were to drop a prediction, so what is that? 9, okay, 20%. Move in Mara there. I am actually inclined to drop that on the chart for Mara. But just as a caveat, the risk would be these buyers continually showing us that they're here. Okay. If you see this market holding that pocket, it's telling you that, hey, you might want to go ahead and let this prediction go and look for the market to begin to go higher. All right, so I'm going to leave that there though. We're going to look for Mara to continue to go down. We're just going to look for it to hit this next pocket. It's like 20% move at the bottom of that pocket. And we'll see what happens from there. Now, today will be a big clue for us if this market still holds this pocket. I would say today, going into the rest of this trading week, that will give us another big clue. So let me know your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.